Hello everyone, I'm Werner Gruner in Lisbon. If you look around Europe right now, most property markets are cooling. Rising interest rates, slowing demand, and political uncertainty in several countries. And yet Portugal stands out. Prices are holding, rental demand is strong, and international buyers keep arriving. That doesn't happen by accident. It happens because Portugal combines something that's becoming rare: a stable property market with a genuinely high quality of life. I've worked with investors like Sarah from New York, who wanted a home that could also generate income, and additionally John from London, who was planning a lifestyle transition. Different goals, but same conclusion. Portugal still makes sense. So what keeps Portugal attractive? 3 key drivers: lifestyle, rental income, and consistent growth. Yes, prices have increased, particularly in Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve. But investors aren't just buying real estate, they are buying stability in a country that's safe, European, and globally connected. Well, Lisbon and Porto are still priced well, below many Western capitals, and that gap continues to attract both lifestyle buyers and investors, seeking steady, medium-term performance. It's not about chasing quick gains, it's about preserving value and enjoying life while you do it. Let's look at where demand is concentrated and why. Lisbon remains the center of gravity. Chiado, Príncipe Real, Avenida da Liberdade, premium around 9,000 euros per square meter. We recently worked with a client who purchased in Parque das Nações in Expo for corporate rentals. Occupancy has been strong, yields consistent, and property values have held. Now Porto offers a clear value. Prices around 6,000 euros per square meter, yet interest keeps growing. Ribeira and Foz do Douro are the established names. Bonfim is the one catching up fast. Cascais and Estoril, often called the Portuguese Riviera, near Lisbon, are where lifestyle meets security. You're looking at around 9,000 to 10,000 euros per square meter. But you're buying more than a property, you are buying community, convenience, and coastal living 30 minutes from Lisbon. Comporta is the discreet choice, low density, eco-friendly, with limited stock. Perfect for those who prefer privacy and design over scale. The Algarve is the yield story. Lagos, Albufeira, Portimão continue to deliver reliable returns. With Portimão at roughly 4,000 euros per square meter, it's still accessible, especially for buyers targeting short stay markets. And beyond the coast, you have Madeira, the Silver Coast, Setúbal, and Évora, emerging alternatives with growth potential and lifestyle appeal. Now a quick reality check. With 300,000 euros, your options vary dramatically. In central Lisbon, that buys you an older unit or something outside the core. If you move inland, it can buy a spacious, move-in ready home with outdoor space. Foreign buyers should plan for a Portuguese tax number, NIF, and local bank account, 20 to 40% down payment and shorter loan terms for non-residents, and an additional 7 to 10% for taxes and fees like property transfer tax, stamp duty, notarial, legal, and registration costs. One quick tip: always include those costs up front. Many buyers forget, and it changes the equation. Lessons from experience. After a decade of helping clients, I can tell you that the most common mistakes: skipping due diligence on title, licenses, or building condition, choosing the wrong micro-location, underestimating ongoing costs, or relying on seller side advice without independent legal counsel. In Portugal, some liabilities stay with the property, not the owner, so a solid legal review is very essential. That's where GetProperty comes in. Since 2014, we've been helping international investors navigate this market from start to finish, from property search and negotiation to third-party legal coordination, rental setup and management. We focus on making it simple, transparent and strategic. Portugal offers something for every type of investor. Urban activity in Lisbon, established luxury in Cascais, strong yields in the Algarve, space and growth inland. The key is to define what you want first, lifestyle, return, or both, and then choose accordingly. If you'd like structured guidance or want to explore opportunities, feel free to reach out to GetProperties. We will help you make the right move the right way.